song line is going to be Back to Start, then it's going to be King Kong, and then it's going to be Built in Pain. There you go. DJ Snake, everything. Yes, yeah, man. Like वहाँ पे भी, it's again, guys, we are in lockdown again, so you know what I mean. So it's very, very difficult right now, and I request everybody to stay inside the house. Whenever you guys leave, mask डालो up, you know. And so first track is King Kong. No, first track is Back to Start. So name ये मैंने last lockdown लिखा, Back to Start और King Kong. So I decided, you know, it was me, Charan, Adil, and Jay. So we all decided, ki, you know, they were like, "Bhai, this track is looking really nice. So and we can shoot the video." So last week we're done with the video. So let's see, you know. So Eid, I think Eid 13th May को है या फिर 12th May को है या 14th को है, you know. जिस दिन भी ईद होगी, ईद के दिन ट्रैक आ रहा है Back to Start by Asim Riaz. There you go. Built in Pain की कुछ lines. How can I say right now? It's just a surprise to you guys. King in Pain. What was that line? Which I haven't used in that one. I'm like a king, bro. I'm like a king cobra, king in pain, blood, guts, sweat. I'm used to it. Yeah, it's something coming really nice, guys, you know. So that was the update I wanted to give you, everybody, that we are starting with Back to Start first, and then we are going with King Kong, and then we are dropping Built in Pain. Back to Start ki some lines, guys. Just wait Eid ke liye, and Eid is almost here, another three weeks, I think. So we are dropping that. Hello. Okay, Asim Riaz. So that's it. Hey Asim, hello. Waiting for all the tracks to drop soon. And there's Numan Ilahi, man. What's up, Numan? How you doing, bro? Yeah, Numan has listened to my tracks. He's the one like, yo, Back to Start, pehle aana chahiye bhai. But you know, नीयत तो Built in Pain की थी, but you know अभी situation ऐसा हो गया कि now fans have been waiting to listen my rap now, you know. तो अभी अब you know, we have recorded everything, so we are good to start with Eid. Alhamdulillah. Hashtag Back to Start, right? That's all I'm saying, Adil. Yeah. So guys, so let's have a new hashtag. So it's called Back to Start, and then we start a new hashtag called King Kong. I feel like a King Kong. There you go. I feel like a king. So that's about it, man. The track King Kong is killer, man. King Kong is so good. Back to Start has another vibe. Then Built in Pain has another vibe. Dude, I'm looking forward. The main thing is we've done recording and everything. Now we just got to shoot the video. Back to Start, hashtag Back to Start. Video is done. Next week I'm dropping the poster. And another week I'll be telling you which label we are dropping and what are we doing. You never know my YouTube channel. You never know which YouTube channel. But yes. Yes, guys, also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Riaz. Yes, hashtag Back to Start. There you go. So Back to Start, it's like I was मैं लॉकडाउन में, जब पिछले साल लॉकडाउन में हम सारे घर पे थे, so Built in Pain तो मैंने लिख लिया था, ठीक है. And there were a lot of things Jai Hind Paji changed about you know, about composing, you know, the rhymings and a little bit. So that's pretty good. But Back to Start was something कि जो starting में हुआ, you know, जो किसी को भी नहीं पता है, you know. So which I am coming up front and telling you guys this all happened. I even mentioned what happened in Cape Town, you know what I mean. So it is from 2015. So we are looking forward, man. I was supposed to drop very soon, but now Ramadan is here, the blessing month. So Eid is the best day to drop Back to Start, and you guys will love it. The music, the vibe, you know. Shout out to Charan, shout out to Adil again, Jay. We all worked as a team with Back to Start, and that's it. बढ़िया चल रहे हैं guys. Yes. Okay, lovely. Yes. So guys, new hashtag is Back to Start, and then we drop King Kong, and you guys stay tuned for I'm gonna be dropping the poster of Back to Start very soon, next week for sure. So till then, stay focused. You see my t-shirt says focus. Stay focused, and just stay blessed and keep working hard, and wish everybody a beautiful Ramadan month, and see you guys live again on Eid. Yes, I'm going to be going live again on Eid, and hopefully you will love the track. Alright guys, thank you. I win this, man.